you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a mystery bag that I actually got from my man to show you guys by Enrforce. Do you want to know what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So a little bit of a backstory. This company, Enrforce, I don't remember if it was on Instagram or if it was on Facebook, but one of the two I was scrolling through. And I always tell you guys, normally my feeds are all filled with chicken stuff. But one time I was scrolling through and I happened to see something that caught my eye. It looks like this. And now do you know why it caught my eye? That teal was like, whoa, whoa. What are you doing with that truck? Well, apparently what this company does is they like trick out some trucks and they do them in a giveaway. And to enter into the giveaway, all you have to do is purchase anything from their shop. You can purchase a keychain, a shirt. You can purchase anything from their shop and you're entered into the giveaway. So at first I wasn't sure, like, is this legit? Am I being suckered into something? Like, what in the world is going on? So I started doing research. I did not see any videos of any unboxings of this company or anything, but I did see videos where they're actually delivering the giveaway winning trucks and stuff to people. So I'm like, it's got to be real. But looking at their shop, there was one shirt that I really wanted to get for my man. And then I saw that they had a mystery box. And I'm like, if you guys know I'm a sucker for a mystery, I don't even care what's in it. I'm just a sucker for a mystery. So I did purchase him a shirt. The shirt inside here, I paid $35. And this mystery box was $145. That's right, $145, and you can choose, it was like unisex, and I chose extra large for my man, and in this one it said that it would be a $210 value, that you would have like one outfit. It says there's 5 total mystery items, 1 premium hoodie, 1 premium jogger, 1 exclusive t-shirt, and then 2 mystery accessories. But buying this, I got an extra 1,000 bonus entries into that giveaway with my purchase. So with my purchase and everything, I have 4,060 points into this drawing for the giveaway. Now, they haven't announced the winner yet. I highly doubt that I'm even going to be picked, but I just thought it was really neat to actually be in a giveaway for a mint colored wrapped truck. Like, what in the world? It is actually, it's a minty fresh PPF is what they call it, and it is on a 2021 Dodge Ram 3500 long bed dually. Like, it is large and in charge for this truck. I would probably be afraid to drive it, but with that color, I'm like, I still want it. And then in the videos, the person was saying if you don't care for the color, because that might not be everybody's forte, even though it's definitely mine, you can just take the wrap off and it's all white and black underneath. So you can just have it all white and black underneath, or you can leave it the fresh minty look the way that it is right now. And I'm just so excited to see who actually does win. Again, I'm not even thinking I'm even in the running. I do have over 4,000 points into it, but I highly doubt that that's going to happen. But I definitely wanted to show you guys, in case you wanted to purchase anything from this company, get a mystery box for yourself, for another, that kind of thing. I wanted to show you what was inside of it. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So when my man gets home from work, I will give him what's inside. He has no clue that I even got him anything. I just wanted to surprise him. So let's go ahead and get inside of here. Again, my other shirt should be in here, and then everything else should be for the mystery box. So let's see how this comes. Ooh, okay. So out of the packaging, this is probably going to be, no, that does not feel like a shirt. Hold on. Let's see, what is this? Inside of here, ooh. Maybe these are the 2 accessories that come with the mystery bag. But I see the color in here, and now I kind of wish I did it in my size instead of his. This looks like a nice pin. Look at this. Oh, he's going to love this pin. Oh my goodness. It looks like it even has maybe like a glass breaker or puncher or something. There's something right here that is sharp at the tip of it. And it looks like there's another piece of, not piece, but there's another ink in here so you can refill it when this one is gone. That is really, really neat. It's a nice pen. It feels nice quality too. And then here's a keychain. It has the company logo, Enrforce, and then the back says remove before launch. So these two items, again, we're down inside of that. So let's see what is now. You see that color? That's what I'm saying. Like, that's probably the hoodie too. So let's get this out. Let me open this and pull out this shirt right here. This was just the shirt that I was originally going to be purchasing for him, and then I saw the mystery bag. I love that color, like an olive drab, and then it just says, I plead the second. And then it says established 1776, but yeah, I plead the second. I love that. I think he's gonna really like that one as well. So I wanted to get him this shirt. So that has nothing to do with the mystery. That's just the regular shirt that I got. So now everything that's in the mystery, you do have, oh, look at this. Look at that teal. I should have known too that it would be matching the truck. So here is an all white shirt. It has their logo with that minty teal and that star. That is super cute. I like it. Here are, I guess, the jogger, the pants, the sweatpants right here. So it has their logo in that teal. These actually might fit me. Maybe not. I don't know. My fat ass. But these are for him, not me anyway. So Tracy, stop thinking about it. So here's a pair of jogging pants. He's always cold anyways. So that is good for him. And then here is the hoodie. This looks nice and large and oversized and comfy. But here is the back of it. And then here is the front of it. But this is so neat. So that's what came in his mystery bag. Again, we got to pick the size. So here is the nice large, it feels so comfortable hoodie. You have the sweatpants. There's the t-shirt, the keychain, and then that really nice pin. And then in addition, I got him this shirt right here. And again, for over 4,000 points into the giveaway, so we'll see. But that is everything. Again, I wanted to show you in case you might have came across one of those ads and were like, is this real? Yes, it is. All you could do is just really buy just a keychain and you're entered into any of their giveaways that they do. This one now has already ended and they're in the process of trying to go through all of the entries because I guess they have like a third party do it so then they can make sure nobody that is associated with the company is winning. But if you do want to enter into any of their giveaways, just check their page. It shows like current giveaway. Once it changes and it's not this nice minty teal one anymore and it's a different vehicle, then you can go ahead and purchase anything from their shop and you'd be entered into that specific giveaway. So that is that. I will link their website down below if you do want to check them out. Check out their shop, anything for yourself or for gifts, that kind of thing. There you go. So that is everything for this particular video. Comment down below. Let me know, have you heard of this company before? Have you seen any of their giveaways with the trucks? Are you excited because of that color? Because that got me. That definitely got me. I can see teal in a store and I don't even know what the hell it is. And I gotta go over there so I can look at it. Like, I just am obsessed with this color. There's something about this color. It's just like, it draws to me. So now that is everything for this video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.